Hey guys, this is Cyrus and you're watching Fiiber by India today, and in this video we will be giving you an overview of the new Pixel 9 series phones and what they offer. Let's go. So kicking things off with the Pixel 9, again an incremental update over the last series of phones. It comes with a 6.3-inch FHD Plus OLED display, up to 120 Hz of refresh rate, and you're also getting Victus 2 protection with 2700 nits of peak brightness with the device, and fair decent display. And we'll be getting the phone again, we'll be testing it out, but an overview of what it offers. It's a 198-gram phone, offers IP68 dust and water resistance, by the way, and USB type C 3.2, so always helpful for streaming. But the real game changer is in the Pro series phones, because now they have addressed the same old issue with heating that the G series chipsets have, that they now come with vapor chamber cooling, which Google has finally addressed the problem. It's not the 9 series that gets it, but in fact the 9 that gets it, but the Pro and the Pro XL. Oh, by the way, the Pro and the Pro XL, the only difference between the two devices is in size and the battery. Apart from that, Google has made sure that you are getting the Pro experience in the Pro and the XL. The features and the camera system, everything remains the same. So that's a good thing. A lot of people will appreciate the fact that they're getting the Pro experience in the compact size. However, won't that hit the sales for the XL? Alright, moving on with the internal specifications. You are getting a new Gen G4 chipset with all of the 3 phones, and you're getting Android 14 inside, a promise of 7 years of software update and security updates, and a bevy of AI features with these phones. By the way, some of the AI features are exclusive to the Pro series and the XL, which we will talk about later. But apart from that, these are good phones if you want to explore the AI Gemini ecosystem. Oh, by the way, for the phones, Gemini will be called Gemini Nano. Inside the phones, you are getting a 4700 mAh battery with the 9 and the 9 Pro. However, the XL will get a bigger battery and a 45-watt charging across the ecosystem, which is finally a good upgrade to have, because Pixel phone charging just disappointed in the past. The camera system is definitely something to look forward to. On the Pixel 9, you're getting a dual camera setup at the back with a 50 megapixel wide camera and a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera that we will be testing out later. On the front, you're getting a 10.5 megapixel front camera, again a wider perspective, but it's just not the hardware, it's the software that will make the camera experience better. On the Pro and the Pro XL, you are getting an extra 48 megapixel telephoto lens that comes with 5x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. But like I said before, it's the AI that will actually do the magic. We'll be talking about the AI features that will be coming to these devices. On the front of the Pro and the Pro XL, you're getting a 42 megapixel camera that again offers 4K 60 FPS recording. So overall, the camera game is pretty sorted. By the way, Pixel is really claiming that this phone can shoot really good videos and one of the best in the market. We will put that claim to test when the phone comes to us, by the way. So the Pro and the Pro XL kind of feature some exclusive AI, these enhancements that we are talking about, some video boost, night sight video, super res zoom. So these are some of the exclusive features that will be coming to the Pro and the Pro XL. However, as far as generic AI features are concerned, you are getting basically you will be able to add multiple people in a frame using AI and not disturbing the composition. By the way, you'll get night sight, face unblur, panorama gets better, frequent faces editing. So I think a lot of the AI features that we've already seen in the market, they are coming to the Pixel 9 series with just a little bit of enhancement. We'll get to experience all of these when the phones come to us. But apart from that, a lot of incremental updates in terms of hardware. However, we cannot say anything right now in terms of the reviews, because we will be getting the devices and we'll be getting you the exclusive reviews on Fiiber. So please stay tuned for those. So just to wrap up, the pricing for the Pixel 9 is 79,999. The Pixel Pro, the 9 Pro, is at 1,09,999 rupees, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL is at 1,24,999 rupees. And these will be coming to India. You can buy them online and offline experiences as well. But please stay tuned to our channel because we'll be getting you the reviews of these devices, and we'll also be doing a lot of comparisons, camera comparisons, all that you will need to know, because these Pixel devices, well, they are piquing a lot of curiosity around in India and also the international market. So we'll be getting you all the details. Stay tuned to Fiiber. Apart from these devices, we also had the new Pixel Watch 3 and the Pixel Buds Pro 2 also launched. We'll be giving you all the details about those devices as well. Go to our social media as well. You can track all the developments in that section. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Do let us know in the comment section what you think about the new Pixel devices that have been launched, and please stay tuned for more updates. You can also watch this video in Hindi on our Hindi channel, and for everything tech, always stay tuned to Fiiber.